in the name of the most merciful. Throughout the tapestry of life, every soul encounters a season of trial. Do people think they will be left alone? The path of truth is narrow and steep, carved through the rugged mountains of our choices. It is illuminated only by the light of sincerity. Yet those who strive for their Creator will find guidance. For divine mercy is ever present with those who remain steadfast in their goodness. Consider the house of the spider, the flimsiest of all dwellings. It stands as a profound symbol for those who seek refuge in shadows. Foundations built on the temporary are like silk in a storm. They vanish when the winds of reality blow. Where do you place your trust? Life's burdens may bend the back, but the heart that remembers its purpose finds the hidden strength to stand and move forward once more. Reflect on the messengers of old. Through crashing waves and flickering flames, they carried a light that no darkness could ever extinguish. Empires rise and fall into the dust of time, leaving only the legacy of those who remained firm while the world turned away in doubt. Divine protection is not the absence of the storm, but the peace that dwells within it, shielded by a grace that knows no bounds. Truly, the flimsiest of houses is the spider's house, if only they knew. To rely on the vanishing is to lose the way to the eternal. But for those who believe and act with righteousness, a beautiful promise awaits. They shall be admitted into gardens of eternal serenity. Every step taken in faith leaves a trail of light. The horizon is not an end, but the beginning of a radiant and lasting peace. For the Creator is the sufficient protector. In His guidance we find our strength. In His promise we find our eternal home.